Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you know, Holi is around the corner. Everyone is having preparation of Holi. Okay, so in India we celebrated Holi as a festival of colors, and moreover, it's a festival we can define as a social festival. So we must remember two things: do not put colors without taking any permission, and also do not put unnecessary colors into the animals, especially the street dogs. So without wasting any time, just let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you 7 expressions with colors that you can use to enhance your speaking skills and their meanings along with the examples. So let's get started. So number 1 expression is feeling blue. Feeling blue means when we are literally sad. For example, I was feeling blue when my granny was expired. Okay, now number 2. Number 2 is seeing red. Seeing red means when someone is extremely angry, then we can use this idiom seeing red. For example, the way you behave with me, now I'm seeing red. Number 3 is green with envy. It means when we jealous of someone. It, it means to describe the jealousy factor, the feeling of jealousy. For example, Rohan got top marks in maths. All of his friends were green with envy. Now number 4. Number 4 is black and white. Black and white means something which can easily understandable. For example, all the instructions on the question paper are written as black and white. Now number 5. Number 5 is come out of the blue. It means something is arrived unexpectedly. For example, I got the train just right on time. It was just like came out of the blue. Now number 6. Number 6 is a white lie. It literally means a lie which is not harmful to anyone. For example, people used to say white lies to impress. Now number 7. Number 7 is gray area. It means some kind of difficulties. For example, I just can't read this paragraph. I think this paragraph has gray area in it. So everyone use these 7 idioms or expressions to enhance your English speaking skill. I hope you enjoyed my video. For more video on like this, do subscribe my channel and do comment on my video, and I want to know that what kind of video you want. So don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Happy Holi to everyone. Have a prosperous Holi.